Senator Kiko Pangilinan called House Bill 6732 a band-aid solution to ABS-CBN's franchise woes that offers a semblance of relief for the company's employees. Pangilinan, whose wife Sharon Cuneta is an ABS-CBN talent, questioned why the House of Representatives approved a 5-month provisional franchise for the network. House Bill 6732, filed by Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano and other House leaders, grants ABS-CBN a provisional franchise valid until October 31, 2020. The Kapamilya network was forced to go off-air on May 5, in compliance with the National Telecommunications Commission's cease and desist order following the expiration of its franchise.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.